Hi guys, I am Manpreet and I make book related videos on this channel, and today I am going to do a very self-obsessive tag which is TMI tag, booktube edition. TMI means too much information. So I have 50 questions which will tell you what kind of reader I am, what kind of things I like in a book and what kind of things I dislike through these 50 questions. So I have a lot of questions to cover up, so I'm going to be quick with this video, so let's get started. Question number 1, what fictional character has the best style? Isabel from Mortal Instruments series. Number 2, your book girlfriend, boyfriend or fictional crush. I really like Christian Grey. Yeah, think whatever you want, but I really like him. Number 3, ever loved a character but then started hating them. Yeah, I do not remember the character's name, but there's an Indian book that I read, Losing My Virginity and Other Dumb Ideas, and I totally fell in love with this girl. The kind of independent and amazing woman she was, and then the author rips her apart. So I started hating her. Number 4, longest or biggest book on your shelf. I guess it should be Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix. Although the biggest one is Steve Jobs' biography, but surprisingly it doesn't have that many of pages. I don't know why. Number 5, heaviest book on your shelf. So there's this book which is all about Arunachal Pradesh with lots of pictures and lot of text about Arunachal Pradesh culture, and it's a very heavy book, so I cannot pick it up and show it to you guys, but I'll definitely add a picture somewhere here or here. Number 6, do you have any book posters? I have one book poster which says keep calm and read books. It's just behind me. Yeah, the green one if you can see. Number 7, do you have any book themed jewelry? I do want to buy a lot of book themed jewelry, but I have only one right now, and that is Deathly Hallows earrings, which I bought when I didn't know they were Deathly Hallow earrings. But I have them. I showed them in one of my vlogs. So if you're not following my vlogs, what are you doing? If you're watching this tag, you should follow my vlogs as well. Number 8, book OTP. OTP is one true pairing. Thank you for the viewer who actually told me from one of my previous tags, and the answer for this question is Clary and Jace. I am not a big fan of Mortal Instruments series if you're thinking from my 2 answers, but Clary and Jace, I really love them. I really wanted them to be together, and things happen with their life and they do not really, I don't know what happens with them. Number 9, favorite book series. Obviously Harry Potter, guys. This is a question which should not be there in Harry Potter fans list. Number 10, favorite book to movie soundtrack. I really like the Mockingjay song, but I would say I can't think of any because I am not a music person. I really like music, but can I say the Pretty Little Liars songs? But would it be right? I don't know. Soundtrack, I am out of the game. 11, a book story you wish would continue. Obviously Harry Potter. I so wanted it to continue. 12, favorite standalone. Brida by Paulo Coelho. Although I do think it has been a long time since I read Brida, and I truly don't remember what happened in it right now, but I truly loved it when I read it. So Brida, always. Number 13, since when do you read books? I feel like I have been reading books since 2007, 2005, 6 perhaps, maybe, I don't remember. Number 14, which Hogwarts house are you in? With the Pottermore, quiz and everything, I'm in Gryffindor. Number 15, quality you look for in a book. I really like books that have strong storytelling, a very strong plot, and good characters that are characters that I can connect with. So that's what I like. Writing can be however it is, I don't care, but the plot has to be strong. There should be no loose ends and no jumps and everything, and the characters should be relatable. Not even relatable, but I should be able to connect with the characters. Number 16, favorite book quote. Things you do for love. Number 17, favorite author. I do not have a particular favorite author, but if I have to choose, I'll choose Paulo Coelho right now. Number 18, favorite book cover. I really like, now this, you may feel like this is very weird, and there are so many amazing covers that I have on my shelf, and if you haven't checked my bookshelf tour, you should check it. I'll link it down below. But I feel like The Curse of Surya by Dev Prasad had the cover that really made me. So I would say that would be my favorite book cover. Not because I really like how it is, but there was some magic in it for which I was just thinking about that book until I read it. So because of the cover. So that's bad. Number 19, action or romance. Romance. Number 20, where do you go when a sad moment happens? I sleep. Number 21, how long do you need to finish a book? Depends on the book. I can finish a book in a day, 5 to 6 hours, or I can finish a book in a month, or not never finish a book. So it depends on the book. 22, how long is your mourning period? Not very long. Either I sleep or I pick up another book, but I don't like to be sad about a book. because then I would not be reading any books after that. So I don't want to do that. No mourning period for me. Number 23, least favorite book. Sita's Curse, I guess. I have made a book about the worst books I have read in my life, so go check it out. Number 24, turn on in a character. I really like characters that are fit, probably because I'm not that fit, but I don't know. I really like them. Number 25, turn off in a character. I really hate disloyal characters. Really hate them. Number 26, reasons I joined BookTube. First of all, I wanted to make a lot of videos and I had no idea what videos I wanted to make. A lot of people suggested me a lot of different things which could have made me more successful than this, but that didn't really click. Moreover, I wanted to talk about books to a lot many people because I truly feel the people who do not read books are dumb and whatever bad things you can say about them. I'll agree with that. Foolishly, I'll agree with that. So I wanted to talk about books with people, so that's why I made this channel. Number 27, name a scary book. I haven't read it, but it's It by Stephen King. I have heard a lot about it. Number 28, last book that made you cry. Last book that made me cry. I have never shed a tear reading a book except for The Choice by Nicholas Sparks. Other books are sad, but I usually cry all the time in a movie. I watched Bahubali 2, I was crying half of the time. But with the book, I have just cried with The Choice. And I truly remember my mom was like, what the hell has happened to you? Why are you crying? So I try not to read books when I'm at my home. In Bathinda. 29, last book that you gave 5 stars, I guess it was Percy Jackson's and the Titan's Curse, which is the third book in the Percy Jackson series. Number 30, any favorite book titles? I really like, single book titles. For example, if you say it's a good title. I really love it. I like the book titles that are one word. I hope that was the question, but okay, let's go on. And 31, last book you read. I just finished reading A Woman in the Cabin 10 by Ruth Ware. I also reviewed it. If you want to check it out, do check it out. I'll link it down below. 32, book you are currently reading. I'm planning to start reading A Dog's Purpose. Number 33, last book adaptation you watched. I truly do not remember because I do not watch many movies. But yeah, I watched 13 Reasons Why. Yeah. Haven't read the book yet. Number 34, a book character you always wanted to talk to. I wanted to talk to Hermione. I really like her. Number 35, an author you always wanted to talk to. Paulo Coelho. Number 36, favorite book snack. I do not eat snacks while I'm reading a book. I'm too much into the book. Number 37, book world you want to live in. Of course, the Harry Potter world, guys. Number 38, books world you don't want to live in. Shadowhunter world. I hate it. I just don't find it fascinating. Number 39, last time you smelled a book. It has been very long last time I smelled a book. But books are all, I am always surrounded by books, so I must be smelling them. I don't know. Number 40, weird insults used in books. Muggles. It's not weird, it's pleasant, but I can't think of anything else. Number 41, favorite romance book. The Choice by Nicholas Sparks. Number 42, do you write? I write a lot. I blog about fashion. I blog about my own blog is Multiniche. I blog about Indian fashion on one blog. I blog about normal fashion on another one. And yes, I'm also planning to write a book. So yes, I write a lot. Number 43, favorite magical item. A wand would be a favorite magical item. No. What do you call it? I have forgotten the name, but the time traveler thing that Hermione had in book number 3. So that one. Number 44, you Quidditch position. I would rather be sitting on the side and doing the commentary, okay? Number 45, name a song you connect to a book. किताबें बहुत सी पढ़ी होंगी तुमने. It just came to my mind. 46, favorite book related chatter line. Hey, have you read that book? 47, have you ever used it? A lot, many times. 48, favorite book fandom. Harry Potter. Guys, you should actually look for theories of Harry Potter fandom and you should actually watch YouTube videos of Harry Potter fandom. You will be amazed. Number 49, second last question. How many books do you own? I own more than 250 or 300 books. Like in my bookshelf tour, I showed like about 180 books and I do have like 50-60 over here in Delhi. So it makes like 200 plus books. And the last question is, who do you tag? So I tag all the Indian booktubers and the bookmark, of course, and Book Geeks India. Yes guys, this is my TMI tag, the booktube edition. Yeah. I'm so damn tired with the cold I have and I cannot speak properly. I feel like I am gonna sleep while standing for the first time ever in my life. So let's finish this video and shoot the next one right now. Bye. This might be signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye.